What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. This will be an unboxing video of the Spider-Man 2 Collector's DVD gift set. So as always, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here it is right here. Of course you guys know I do have Spider-Man 2. But I wanted to get the gift set because of the contents that's inside of it. It's really a shame that they didn't do one for Spider-Man 3 or any of the other Spider-Man movies. But it is what it is. Anyways, so let's get into this. So here's the front. Pretty cool. Top. The spines. Here's the back. I got this. I was like, it's very minor, so. Okay, so let's get into this. So here's Spider-Man 2 right here. It's different than the one I have. This one has a gold spine. The one I have is a red spine. You guys have seen what this looks like before, so same discs and everything, same artwork. Here we got concept to screen portfolio for Spider-Man 2 right here. You guys can pause and read that if you want to. It's one of my favorite scenes in the Spider-Man movie. And I'm actually so glad that Marvel and Sony worked out a new deal. That way they can keep Spider-Man in the MCU, because, I mean, taking him out after that huge cliffhanger in Spider-Man Far From Home would be a dumb idea. So I'm just glad that we'll get to see Spider-Man's story arc finished. And we'll have a whole trilogy. It won't be cancelled or anything. So I'm just glad we're gonna get to see that, and we're gonna see, and the cameo they'll probably have after that will probably be Avengers 5. I heard that he's gonna cross over into the Venomverse. He's gonna do both MCU and Venomverse. That's pretty interesting, but I still rather have him stay in the MCU and bring some of those characters into the MCU. But it is what it is. This is some really cool concept art. It's pretty cool. Thank homage to the first appearance of Doc Ock, which is Amazing number 3, if I'm correct. This is some pretty cool concept art. Here we got a little mini comic book of Amazing number 50. Spider-Man No More. It's pretty cool. Last but certainly not least, I think this is supposed to be a portfolio for the posters. So, close that real quick. So, let's see. Got the first one. It's pretty cool. Doc Ock, Spider-Man and MJ. Always like that one. And the last one. But before I sign off, I want to show you a few things Marvel related that I got a week ago. So, first one we got here is Entertainment Magazine Commemorative Edition of Stan Lee. Got that, so I can't wait to read that. And I also got some MCU movies on DVD. There were the last 3 Avengers movies that came out. So we got Age of Ultron. Some of these I will get on Blu-ray for special features. Here we got Infinity War, my personal favorite. Last but certainly not least, Endgame. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.